So now looking on the from the inside of the cab, wants to get the mirror adjusted. I mean, you have a pretty good field of view from that mirror, so. I'm not sure you can tell, but we're in a different machine now. We recently got Samantha a Polaris Ranger XD 1500. That's the new extreme duty 3-cylinder steel belt drive. Heck of a machine. The North Star Ultimate Edition's gonna recommend AC heated seats. Since we picked it up last week, we already got the windows blacked out on it. So that way it doesn't feel like you're driving in a fishbowl. But today, the side mirrors showed up, so we got to put them on because it feels like you're driving a huge box. You can't see out the side or the back of the window now. So we're gonna add some side mirrors for the Polaris door-mounted mirrors that are designed for the ultimate with the cabin enclosure. So gotta run by the mailbox, pick them up. In the meantime, I'll be quiet. You can see how quiet this thing is compared to like the Expedition and other side-by-sides on the market. Smooth. Trying to find parts for this machine right now is kind of slim to none, and if they are out there, you gotta be quick to get them because not much out there. Right now we're in standard mode. There are different driving modes that really make the RPM range very different. But right now, I'll take this go up this little hill here by our house. You can see how quiet it is inside the cab. Lack of rattles and squeaks. Little floor. It's kind of weird. You can almost feel CVT like shit, like it has gears. So all that can hear total behind the scenes thing that makes it be a smooth operator. We're at about 110 miles right now, still loving it. Get a bunch of weird looks as you're driving by because you don't know what it is. Here we go. Go back to the house and put some side mirrors so we can see what we're doing when we're backing up. To our channel, we hope you hit the like and subscribe button, hit that little bell to alert you when our new content comes up. We'll be doing a lot of filming around building this machine and also testing it and what it was intended to be and a bunch of other stuff here in our area. So I'd like to give you some feedback in the air conditioner, but it's been so cold out here in New Mexico that I haven't had a chance to actually see if it works. Alright, let's see what we got in the box here. Lay down the tailgate. Bubble wrap. Big old truck style mirrors for big old truck. Instructions, location to find some directions according to Polaris on the web. Here's the driver's side mirror. And some brackets and seals. Sweet. Here's the machine. It's that ruby red color. That's why my wife nicknamed it the Ron Burgundy. It's a pretty burgundy red. Pretty snazzy. Give you a quick little walk around. extreme duty. So here's everything that comes in the kit. I'll leave the part number on the description. Step 1 says to go in with a 1/4 inch drill bit and open up the hole. So here we go. No turning back. See if we make a hold right. Now this is really the point of no return. I'm not a fan of cutting a hole in a brand new machine. All right, so far so good. Now for the second hole. All right, second hole's drilled. Now, let's see if the little piece fits. It should be. All right, so now with the hole drilled, make sure you have the left hand, or right hand in this case, piece. Get them started by hand. They come with this little weather stripping type deal to keep the noise down, I guess. Alright, that's gonna look nice when it's all nice and tight in there. Trying to figure out what's easier to put it on here. Yeah, we'll put that on real quick. Alright, so the mirror's on now. So you put the little set screw with the Torx bit. And this side is done. I hope these mirrors have good visibility. Probably should do this with the window roll down. There it is. Sweet. All you gotta do is repeat the other side. Same thing. So now looking on the from the inside of the cab, once you get the mirror adjusted, I mean you have a pretty good field of view from that mirror. So we'll start the machine on and see if there's any kind of shakes from the vibration or whatever. So let's see. Nothing more than a normal big tow mirror on a 3/4 or 1 ton truck, so I like it. I'll do the driver's side, then we'll go for a test drive. All right, it's the next day. I didn't get to do a final install photo or video of it, because as soon as I backed it out, Samantha and Olivia decided to jump in it and go for a drive and forgot about it. But good coverage from the mirrors, nice solid feel. I mean, they work. Impressed with the product. So, one of the first mods to the Ranger. Many more to come.